Olivia, where are we going?
Kamioka!
Kamioka! We're at Shin Yokohama Station right now. Nice catch, Taka! Oh my god, that scared me. Taka, that was an amazing catch. Give me 5. That was amazing. Daddy dropped you a couple times when you were a baby, honey.
Huh?
Where is the Eki Ben? Where is the Eki Ben? I think I want a Starbucks too.
Okay.
Oh boy. 7 on the dot. 7 on the dot is when we leave. Right now it's like 5:40. The city of Nishinomiya invited Taka and me to do a seminar about parenting. So I'm going to talk about the Levine method. Right now we're at Shin Yokohama Station looking for obento. They're all sold out. They're all sold out. I know, honey. Hold on. They're all sold out. Oh no. Really? Wow. We're still looking for an obento. Olivia, you need food, honey. What do you want to eat?
Egg only.
You want egg?
Egg only.
Shumai o. Olivia mo suki kana shumai?
No, but I just want the shumai.
Okay. This is what we got for dinner for the shinkansen. Maybe half a donut, yeah, because it's pretty fattening. Yeah.
This one, and let's see. This one and okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Okay, one more, Olivia.
2枚両方一緒に入れていいよ。
Ah, kawaii. Good job. Oh, no. ごめんなさい. Alex, she's very busy. Arigatou gozaimasu. She took your origami. Is that nice? Arigatou gozaimasu. You gave her your origami. すごい Alex. 好きかもしれない。そして逃げちゃったから多分可愛いと思ってたかもしれない。ごめんなさい。ありがとうございます。Was she nice? Yeah. We're about half an hour early. So we're just kind of relaxing. The kids are coloring and doing origami.
And I made a heart pocket. Look, this is basically 2 origamis. This is one of them, a heart shape. You can open it.
It's a heart, an origami heart, but with a pocket. Okay.
Yeah. And the other one has another pocket.
And you engineered this all by yourself. Oh wow, no wonder you're gonna get the Nobel Prize one day. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just coloring there. How many more minutes?
Oh, we got about 15 more minutes. Look at the Shinkansen, you guys. Look at the train. Olivia, look. Look at the train. He's gonna take off now, yeah. Omizu? No, he's gonna, I don't know where he's going. Oh, Osaka. There it goes, there it goes. Say bye-bye, train. Bye-bye, Mr. Shinkansen. How about a kiss? Oh, 私か、あっちも。Olivia loves bullet trains. Look, everybody's getting on the train, Olivia. Everybody's getting on the train. They're getting on the train. There it goes, honey, there it goes. Yeah. Wow, it's so fast. Look how fast it's going. Olivia, look how fast it's going. That one, yeah, it's so fast. Wow, they're so fast. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, there it goes, there it goes. There it goes, there it goes. beautiful. Japan invented those trains. Did you know that? Yeah, the train is almost here. Back please, back up. It's coming, it's coming. Our train is coming. You see it? Yeah. It's slowing down so it can pick you up. Wow, it's so beautiful. Hi, narimasu. Let's get on, let's get on. We gotta let everybody get off first, okay? Oh, do you want to sit by the window? Do you want to sit by the window? Yeah. How is it? Probably there aren't a lot of people on this particular train, so it's rather nice. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. The teacher from Alex's Japanese school just called me. You guys, check this out. We just got word that Alex passed his kanji test. Woohoo! He's getting kisses. Oh, I don't know if I passed. Hold on. I don't know if I passed. I don't think I passed. Go, go. What does it go? I passed too. Take one too when you're 6 years old. Shocking. This is shocking. I've wanted to take this test for 20 years. I'm not kidding. Okay, don't cry, okay? Alex, this is awesome. Alex, you got 142 points out of 150. And mommy got 143 out of 150. Alex, to hobo kawaranai. I've been studying Japanese for 20 years. How can I have the same score as Alex? Alex, you gotta chew with your mouth closed. Squeezing my stomach. She's trying. I'm gonna tell her one on one. Ow! Olivia, where's your mask? You have to put on your mask. Who wants donuts? Who wants donuts? Which one's Olivia's? This one. Okay. Eating sprinkle. Oh, they're so good, no? I love their plain donuts. It's so sweet. You gonna give Akemi-san a big hug when you see her? Hey, we're here. We're here. Hold mommy's hand. We're here. Where's Akemi-san? Let's go look for her. Wait. Nande konna ni energy ga aru no? What is this? Wakasa. Olivia, hold on, Olivia. Hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi. Arigato. Arigato. 迎えに来てくれて ありがとう、本当に。すごい助かる。めっちゃ疲れた。
あけみさんありがとう。
本当にありがとう。本当？最近川上家折り紙ブームだよね。一人で嬉しそう。よしおさんは外？車？あー、遅いのにね、ごめんなさい。あ、ちょっとこれ楽になったよね。あけみさん使って kids. It's nice. It's nice. あー、ちょっと助かるね。ちょっと助かる。Kyoto! We're in Kyoto. We're spending the night with Akemi-san and her husband, and then we're going to Nishinomiya first thing tomorrow morning. Just Taka and me.
関西で。
Yeah, it's a Kansai date tomorrow. こんばんは。ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。
ただいま。ただいま、ただいま。
オリビア爆睡です。
オリビア寝ちゃった。
オリビア爆睡です。
ただいま。
あれ起きてる。
目が覚めてるじゃない。
うん、寝れるよ、寝れる。
It's nice to be back in Kameoka. Good night, everybody. Olivia, do you want to say good night, everybody? Good night, everybody.